Alright, so here's the last 20 odd seconds of this flight. I had just told my flying buddy that I should probably stop because this was getting too good. And right about here is where it all went bad. So here it is. This is what happened. Broke the 4 screws that hold the stack on. And literally nothing else. Nothing. Fucking props didn't even bend. They're a little chewed up, but they didn't even bend. Camera's good. No broken arms. This thing is a fucking tank. Alright, so here it is. The Holybro Kopis Mini back together. And yeah, it literally just broke the 4 screws that hold the stack on. Everything's back together, fresh props, nothing else was broken. Did a quick line of sight test flight with it. Everything functions. Holybro Kopis Mini. This thing's a beast. And it's tough. Buy it, fly it, crash it, get it.